Hello, I'm Katerina Vorona, an English teacher from Kirovograd, Ukraine. The most important for motivating teenagers, I think, is to show them and to make them understand that they really need the language and that they can use it in real life. So for these reasons, I invite native speakers to my lessons or to my extra class activities. I also search pen pals for my teenagers with whom they can communicate by mail or email. My teenagers also participate in different national and international English language competitions. Those competitions motivate them to learn not only language but also some extra curricular or country study material. We also take part in international projects like post-crossing, for example. We receive postcards from different people, we send postcards to different people, so pupils write in English, read in English and learn new words. And in addition, I'd like to say that sometimes I do quests for my teenagers. For example, after each successfully done task, you give them a part of a proverb. So, in the end of the lesson, they have the whole proverb, or almost the whole proverb. The mission is to explain what the proverb means. If they are successful, you can give them some prizes. If no, then you help them to understand what the proverb means. Thank you for your attention. Bye.